Hello, we are Team DataBots. Our project name is PYRO, which is Predictive Insights and Reliable Ops. Let's face it, maintenance isn't the most exciting part of our day, but what if we could make it more interesting and efficient? Enter our predictive maintenance platform using the MERN stack and Azure machine learning. We have designed a solution to revolutionize how you maintain and monitor your machinery. Our goal is simple: reduce downtime, improve performance, and make maintenance hassle free. With our platform, you can anticipate maintenance needs before they become critical, allowing for proactive management and smoother operations. Coming to the key features, they include a user friendly React.js dashboard for showing sensor data, a Node.js backend that processes and validates this data, and an Azure ML model that predicts machine failures with high accuracy. Real-time alerts ensure you are always informed and can take primary action. Our platform offers comprehensive analytics and reporting tools. You can visualize trends, monitor performance metrics, and generate custom reports. This data-driven approach helps you optimize operations and maximize equipment uptime. And this is the workflow of our machine learning model and our practical application. By using our platform, you will experience reduced downtime, improved machine performance, and automated alerts for maintenance needs. Our robust data reporting capabilities empower you with variable insights, enabling informed decision making and proactive maintenance strategies. Maintenance may not be fun, but with our predictive maintenance platform, it doesn't have to be a drag. With advanced machine learning and engaging user experience, we provide a comprehensive solution for all your maintenance needs. Thank you for considering our platform, and we look forward to helping you achieve the operational excellence. Thank you.